Hello teachers, myself Paul and you are watching Digital Assam. You can see in this video a complete solution of case study of a child. NIOS has given the format and you have to follow this format. In this video, you can see step-by-step process of solving SBA, school-based activity. First of all, you have to design a cover page which must have the followings: the name of the teacher, trainee, enrollment number, name and address of the study center, and after that name and address of the school, and you can also download it from the description box. And in the second page, you have to write identification data. So here you have to write the name of the student, date of birth, male, female, and you can also paste a passport size photograph. So after that, father's name, mother's name, and in number 5, class in which studying. So after that, postal address. In point number 7, monthly income of parents. Point number 8, profession and educational qualification of father, and after that, profession and educational qualification of mother. In point number 10, number of brothers and sisters, and the ordinal position of the child among the siblings. So after writing this, you have to write the recording of the problem and the solution. So here you have to write the objectives of the case study. So after that, nature of problem in the child. So I have written here the reading problem. You can write some other problem, but whatever you write, you have to write in details. So after writing the problem in details, you have to write the probable reasons for the problems of the child. So you have to write the reasons for the problems. If you choose some other problem, then the reasons will be different. So here you have to write the reasons of the problem in details, not in a 2 or 3 lines. So after that, you have to write the strands with the child. So what are the strands with the child? You have to write one by one. And after that, details of intervention carried out with the child. So here you have to write details of intervention, how you solve the problem, what strategies you have taken. So all the details you have to write here step by step. I have written it in 3 stages. First, pre stage, and after that while stage, and after that post stage. In point number 6, you have to write the effect of the intervention. So what are the effects? You have to write here in details. And after writing this, you have to take the counter signature by the headmaster with official, and signature of teacher, signature of mentor, and signature of supervisor. And this is not the final page. One more page you have to attach. So at last, you have to attach this page. So rating scale for case study. So here you have to write name of the trainee, enrollment number, name and address of the school. So you have to write here, and you can see here the criteria and the ratings. If you get 5, then excellent. If you get 4, then very good, 3 good, 2 average. So you will be marked criteria wise. So you can download it from the description box. The link is given there. So that's all for today. Thank you.